In this video, we'll be covering the types of symbols in Adobe Animate, how to make symbols, and the best uses for each type. First, draw some artwork on the stage. Select the artwork and hit F8 to make a new symbol. There are three types of symbols. There's the movie clip, the button, and the graphic symbol. Movie clip symbols are used to create reusable pieces of animation. Movie clips have their own multi-frame timeline that is independent from the main timeline. You can nest interactive controls, sounds, and even other symbols. Movie clips aren't used very often in Flash animation. You can apply filters to movie clip symbols, and because of this, they are mainly used when making effects. The most common filters used would be the blur and glow filters. You can't set a movie clip symbol to play once or single frame. If you have more than one frame inside the movie clip, it will automatically loop. You can't see the clip loop when you test your scene in Animate, but you will see it loop when you make a SWF or export your animation. Button symbols are mainly used for web design. They can be used to make interactive buttons that respond to mouse clicks, rollovers, and other actions. I've never used them for animation. Graphic symbols are used for almost all symbols in Flash. They're used for static images and reusable pieces of artwork. They can be synced to the main timeline, and you can adjust the settings to make them loop, play once, and display a single frame. That's it for symbol basics. If you have any comments, questions, or tutorial requests, please let me know in the comments. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.